Today is a rainy Sunday and I am taking you guys into Walmart with me for another shop with me and haul. I've really been enjoying filming these inside the store, and this is going to be a really big haul for back to school and restocking. So let's get started. Thank you for joining me today. All right, so we already got school supplies. However, when I was at Connor's Meet the Teacher, she said that they didn't give her everything, I guess. So she gave me a list of stuff that they need, and markers was one of them. So I'm gonna get these skin-toned washable markers. Look how cute this is. I've been thinking about putting out my fall decor. It's a countdown to Halloween, and it's got a little magnet on it. So isn't that cool? I might get that. It's, how much is it? $7.98. $8. That's not bad. Okay, so I ended up getting this classroom set of markers. It comes with 10 each of 8 colors, the colors of the world markers, and then I got 4 packages of colored pencils, so hopefully that'll be enough. And then I found these really cute Halloween napkins. They're only 98 cents, and they had 5 boxes of mac and cheese on sale for $4.88, so I had to get that. I also need some Neosporin. We're out of that, so I'm just gonna get the Walmart brand. Every time I see travel size stuff, I'm like, ooh, what have we here? They have travel wet brushes. Mine is like old and like the tines are falling out of it, so I think I'm gonna get a new one. Then they also have this CHI flat iron spray, like protection spray in a travel size. What's this? I don't like wipes. Of course, I have to stop and look at the containers. I've really been liking these Rubbermaid Brilliance containers lately. I don't know, I might get a few of those. I know I'm gonna get this one because I don't have one that's that size. I feel like that would fit pretty well in my fridge. I like these because they hold up really well, like over time, and they're clear so you can see what's inside them. At one point in time, I had a travel winch roller to keep in my suitcase. It looks like there's not one here. I was gonna get another one, but I was gonna show you guys this for Zapper. They have this for $12.88. It's a 2-pack. Basically, you're supposed to be able to put this in the washer or the dryer with your clothes, and it attracts dog hair. I bought one of these on Amazon a long time ago, and it did not work, like, at all. Do not recommend this. So I've been looking for some more chapter books for Connor. If you guys have any recommendations, he's 10 years old in 4th grade, but he does read a little bit above his grade level. So he's been reading the Magic, oh shoot, I'll pick that up. He's been reading the Magic Treehouse books, but I feel like these are getting a little bit easy for him, although they do, you know, keep his attention. But I'm pretty sure he's, like, this is number 1. I'm pretty sure he has all of them. So I was just looking, they have this I Survived, which he's told me he's read these before at school, like he's gotten them in the library, so I might get him this. But now that school has started, we are having the kids read for at least 20 minutes a day before they go to bed. So this one has Titanic, Pompeii, Battle of Gettysburg, and the Japanese tsunami. So I don't know, I might try this, see if he likes that. All right, so I need a new harness for Milo. He already grew out of the one that I ordered him on Amazon. And then I'm also getting some more bones for the dogs. I also need some training treats, so I might get these. Just like the tiny little treats for when he goes potty or whatever. All right, I need some more bleach. Remember when we couldn't find bleach at the start of the pandemic? I wish this came in a larger container, this OxyClean. I really like it. My machine has a dispenser for it, but I think I almost like it better than the Lysol laundry sanitizer. And then I also got some Downy Scent Beat. So I have several of the Febreze plugins throughout my house. Smell this one. Oh, that smells good. So I'm gonna grab one of these. And then I think I told you guys once about this Airwick Essential Mist like diffuser, and they have a bunch of different scents. I actually really like this one, this fresh pine and juniper, so I think I'm gonna get one of these. Okay, so I want to get some Swiffer Wet Jet formula and some pads, just because obviously we're still potty training our puppy. But he's doing pretty well, but just in case. If you are offended by paper plates, please look away. I cannot believe how much these are. Almost 20 bucks. It's crazy. Crazy. I also need some toilet paper. I need to get back to either Sam's or Costco. I just haven't done it yet. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna get a bag of chips because I want to get some French onion dip. And then I also got these for the kids' lunches. They're the Lay's Classic Mix for $10. All right, I've got some hummus at home that I want to use up, so I'm gonna get some of these everything pita crackers. They're $2.28, which I don't think is too bad. I'm also gonna get a family size box of wheat thins for $53. Oh look, we have the first spotting of pumpkin spice Velveeta. I'm gonna try these. Have you guys had these? The pumpkin spice flavor? I feel like this would be really good with some coffee. Did you know they had speculoos cookie coffee creamer? I don't get like full sugar creamer, but if I did, I would get that. But I'm gonna get some of this for Adam, this French vanilla sugar free. Also, I think I'm gonna get some yogurt raisins for lunch boxes. They have chocolate and vanilla. I'm gonna do chocolate. I need some eggs. They're $1 million now. Just kidding. 12 eggs. Well, these are the more expensive ones. They're $3.42 a dozen, but even the regular ones are $2.75. Okay, so I'm gonna get some of this Thomas cinnamon swirl bread. Connor likes cinnamon toast for breakfast, so I'm gonna get that. I got some half and half for my coffee and some milk for cooking / cereal. All right, I'm gonna grab some cherry limeade sparkling water. Have you seen these? These are sugar-free sparkling water, strawberry daiquiri, and mint mojito. I might have to try those. They sound good. Okay, did they not used to have diet cream soda? I feel like they did, but no, they don't have it. I wish some of these sodas, like mango orange Sunkist, I would totally get that if they had diet. I know, I'm weird. I don't really want to have a discussion about diet versus regular pop. I just love diet pop paired with my existential dread. It works out well. All right, we need the OG cottage cheese, old-fashioned dairy, AE dairy, my favorite. They have these Dietz and Watson charcuterie. It has calabrese, salami, and capicola. $8 for half a pound. Might get that. Connor asked me specifically if I would get him some of these Oh Snap pickles. I like getting them at Aldi because they come in a big box, but since I'm here and I'm not going to go to Aldi, I'll just grab them here. Okay, I'm going to get some of the pepperoni paninos for the kids. I also need some prosciutto for a recipe, so I'm going to go ahead and get that. I only need 4 ounces and this is 6 ounces, but I think that's all they have. All right, we got to get Kira's Cracker Barrel cheese. That's like the only thing she asked me for most of the time. I know I'm out of Kraft singles. I don't use them very often, so I try to get like a smaller package. I don't know what the smallest one they have. I guess 24. Seems like a lot. It probably never expires though, honestly. Let's be real. I found the 16 count. That's what I need. I'm gonna get some sharp cheddar for sandwiches. Okay, so I have some chorizo at home and I want to make some breakfast burritos. And if you've never tried these Tortilla Land ready to cook tortillas, they're bomb. Okay, I'm gonna get some of this chicken breast for sandwiches. I'm gonna get some of this fully cooked bacon just for like quick breakfast before school. I could put that with the cinnamon toast and a scrambled egg. Boom. I also got these. These are new from Walmart. They're market side charcuterie trays. They have salami and cheddar, and they have a pepperoni one. They're only $3 each, and I think they're really good. So I got some of those and some ham and one of these Triscuit ham and cheese. Okay, I need some water flavoring. We'll do the strawberry watermelon. What else? We'll do lemonade. Okay, so I'm gonna get some of the artisanal bread, but then I also want to get some wheat bread. I might do the whole grain honey wheat Pepperidge Farm. Okay, I also need some grape jelly or grape jam, doesn't matter. Do you guys remember having to take Tylenol when you were a kid? Did your parents crush it up and put it in grape jelly? Because that's what mine did. I just remember it being like super disgusting. Millennials, tell me what you think every time you see this. Peaches and cream. Do you think of this song? Because I do. All right, I need some paprika, not smoked paprika, which interestingly enough, Walmart now has smoked paprika. They never used to have it, but I just need regular. Where is it? Here we go. I also need my true lemon and my true lime. I can't tell you how fast we go through this stuff. Can I reach it? Me and Kara drink it like all day, every day. I need to replenish my soups. Let's see. What do we got? Oh, family size chicken noodle. We get one of these. We'll get one of these. Home style chicken noodle, and then I want to get some more canned soup for Adam because we don't have any right now, and a lot of times that's the easy lunch for him is a can of soup and a sandwich. Let's see what they have. Smoked turkey with white and wild rice. Okay, why not? What else? My cart seems like it's gonna tip over. I don't know what's going on with that. I think I've gotten him this one before, the chicken pot pie, and I think he likes that, so I'll get this, and then I'll get one more. Oh, they have a minestrone with sausage. That sounds good, actually. Okay, so I'm gonna make fish tacos this week, and I want some corn tortillas for that. So I like these Mission white corn tortillas. They're my favorite, and I'll probably have enough left over to make some enchiladas too. If you've never had this ramen, it is the absolute best. You get it. It's so good. It's the Nissan tonkatsu flavor. It's $2.68, which I know seems expensive for ramen, but it is so good. Now this one, which one is this? Oh, this one is the soy sauce flavor. I don't care for that one, but I really like this one. All right, I'm gonna get some fries because one night we're gonna have Italian beef sandwiches and I wanna make fries with it. I do need some chicken breast. I need about 4 pounds. So I think I'm just gonna get one of these big packs. Oh, look, this one is exactly 4 pounds, but it's $3.24 a pound, which is still cheaper than ground beef, but it's really gone up in the last year or so. I need mahi mahi. I actually have that here at my Walmart, which is shocking. 12 ounces, which is, I think it's a little bit less than what I need, but it'll be fine. My kids really love these Nerds bomb pops, even better than the actual ones, so I'm gonna get some of those for them. I don't know where I'm gonna put I still haven't even got my produce yet. I don't know where I'm gonna put that, but I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. We always do, right? All right, I need 2 bunches of cilantro. I wanted flat leaf parsley, but I don't know if they have it. I think I'm gonna grab one of these bell pepper packs. Here we go. It's the last bunch of Italian parsley. I was gonna get some limes, but only if they have, they do have regular limes. I was gonna say, because I don't need key limes. I need actual juicing limes. I also got some shredded carrots and 2 English cucumbers. All right, we need some bananas. I'm also gonna get a bag of onions, and then I wanted to try and find some decent looking tomatoes. I know I'm at the grocery store, so it's probably not gonna be that great. That doesn't look bad. Oh my gosh, are these not the cutest thing you've ever seen? Constellation tomatoes. They're already pre-washed in little packages. Those are so cute. I'm gonna get these instead. They're actually really good. The Sunset Flavor Bombs, $3.98. Bless you. Kira wanted me to get peaches. Instead, I'm gonna grab these nectarines just because they're already in a bag. Super convenient. Okay, so I have a little basil pot on my deck, but I wanted to plant some other herbs in it. So I'm gonna grab some of this rosemary and mint. I also need some mint and rosemary. So I'm gonna get those. And then I need a bunch, oh my God, I'll pick that up, don't worry. I need a bunch of garlic for a recipe, so I'm gonna get this already peeled kind. I need some spring mix or something for a salad. What's this? Bright Farms. I just want to make sure it's not slimy on the bottom. Okay, so I used to buy this all the time. I'm actually going to buy some today. This Holy Guacamole Avocado Verde Salsa is so good. I think it's going to be good with those fish tacos that I'm going to make this week. I'm going to get some grapes. Are they good? Actually, those are good. I need some rolls for the Italian beef sandwiches. These are, oh, for the love of God. This is August 29th. Oh my God, that bag has a hole in it. We don't want that. What's this one? 27th. What's this one? Because I'm not going to make it for a couple days. All right, we need some strawberries. I feel I don't know, the strawberries that I've gotten have not been too great lately. They've gone bad just a day or two after getting them home. That looks the best. Okay, so we're done in the store. I thought I would show you guys a look at my trunk after I loaded all of the groceries in there. And then I'm also going to be sharing a little bit of a restock with you. So I was totally out of eggs, which is very weird for me. I normally have tons on hand, so I put those away in the container. Why do you put your eggs in a container when they come in a carton? I don't know, because it looks pretty and it also holds more than the original egg carton. I am organizing my cheese drawer here. I actually just did a video where I shared organization of my fridge before I went grocery shopping. So I'll be sure to link that video down below and on the end screen. I keep our water flavorings, True Lime and True Lemon, in these little jars in with our glasses, so they are easy to get to. And I just try to take everything out of the packaging as much as I can, because I find that it takes up way more room if you leave things in the packaging, and then you can't fit as much in your cupboards. I also got some dog treats. We're potty training a new puppy. Yes, there will be a video coming about that soon. So I just refilled the little treat jar. We get the little small treats so we can give him those when he goes potty and sits and everything like that. I also got this garlic for a couple of recipes that you guys will see soon. And normally I don't buy the peeled garlic because I find that it goes bad rather quickly, but I decided to just put it into a glass container and hopefully it will stay well enough so that I can use it all. Okay, so I use these clear fridge bins to organize most of the things in my refrigerator. In this one, I keep yogurt and Jell-O and applesauce and things like that. I don't think I showed in the video, but I did pick up some of the Chobani flips. I like keeping those on hand, especially during the school year, so I can include them in the kids' lunch boxes. So that is done. And then I also got some limes, as you saw. So I wanted to refill my lime bin. I keep all of my citrus in this one, so it's neatly organized. And then, yes, Connor specifically asked me for Fruity Pebbles. I haven't bought them in a while, so I was like, yeah, you can have those for your back to school breakfast treat. I did also plant the rosemary and the mint that I got. So I just planted that in this pot that I have my basil in on the back deck. And you want to make sure, obviously, that you water that after you plant it. I also washed up all of my cilantro and dried that in the salad spinner. So I'm just wrapping that up in some paper towels and getting that into a Ziploc bag. And then I emptied out these shredded carrots into a different container. Sometimes I find that when you keep carrots in the bag that they come in, they get slimy quicker. I don't know if that's just me, but sometimes I like to transfer them to another one. Okay, so here's just a quick look at how everything turned out after I restocked. I didn't have time to wash all of my produce. I still have some cucumbers I need to wash and some strawberries and things like that, but I was happy with what I got done on this particular day. And like I said, if you guys want to check out that refrigerator organization video, I will have that linked on the screen right here. So check that out, and I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you are having a good week. Here's a little sneak peek at Milo. Bye.